Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making simplest French toast ever. In a deep dish, I will break 3 large eggs. To that, I will add 3 teaspoons of sugar and 1/3 cup of milk. If you want, you can add cinnamon, vanilla essence, whatever you like. But I like my French toast very simple. I'm just going to mix all the ingredients with the help of a whisk. Whisk everything together until the sugar is completely dissolved. I like to make my French toast in butter, so I'm taking some butter and I will melt it on the skillet or griddle, whatever you prefer. Now take a slice of bread of your choice and dip it in the egg mixture and then put it on the skillet or griddle, whatever you have, and shallow fry it on medium-low flame. I'm gonna add 4 slices and let them cook on the griddle. Turn them over after a minute or two and cook them until you are happy with the color of the bread. I like mine golden brown. What about you guys? How do you like your French toast and what are the variations you do? Please let me know in the comment section below. French toast are ready. You can enjoy them as is, or you can take a slice or 2 of bread, add some strawberries like I did, and pour some maple syrup, and yum, it's ready to enjoy. Thank you guys so much for watching. You guys have a good day. Take care. See you in my next video. Bye bye.